universal pre-K or cash payments to parents, which helps more. A study published recently by a group of neuroscientists and social scientists found that monthly financial payments of $333 to parents affected their infant children's brain development and size. Many people thought this result was self-evident and lament the fact that we require brain scans to explain that mothers and their children shouldn't be poor. Unfortunately, a study released around the same time by Tennessee experts revealed that universal pre-kindergarten in Tennessee resulted in poor academic outcomes and increased hostility and disobedience once children reached middle school. The question naturally arises, how best to help young children perform, and what happened with pre-K in Tennessee? The Tennessee pre-K study looked at two groups of students, those who were randomly eligible and were able to enroll in pre-K programs in 2009 and 2010, and those who were not. The researchers had previously discovered that children who had enrolled in pre-K programs at the age of 5 performed better on intelligence tests than those who did not. Unfortunately, the gains seemed to fade, and by third grade, the pre-K children were performing worse, with lower math and science exam scores. The researchers next looked at the children's performance through 6th grade, adding 3 more years of data to their analysis. Pre-K students scored lower in reading, writing, and science in 6th grade than other students, and the difference had grown since 3rd grade. The researchers also discovered that as pre-K children grew older, they were more likely to miss school or get into disciplinary problems. Researchers are baffled by the findings. They point out that most youngsters who did not enroll in pre-K programs stayed at home with a parent, relative, or other caregivers, or went to a private daycare facility. This suggests that staying at home with a parent, grandparent, or nanny may be preferable to going to pre-K in the long run. Regrettably, identical findings have been discovered elsewhere. Long-term detrimental consequences on children's behavior, including increased crime, were discovered in a study of Quebec's daycare program. Accordingly, the idea that certain types of pre-K or childcare can hurt children is increasingly supported by evidence. These findings have ramifications for public policy. The U.S. is considering a $1 trillion Build Back Better plan, which would include funds for COVID-19 alleviation, infrastructure improvements, climate change mitigation, social services, and welfare programs, including a universal pre-K proposal. Now, evidence suggests giving cash to parents to help alleviate child poverty may be more effective than funding universal pre-K. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It helps others find our content. And please visit Econobits.com for a list of resources and references.